Hi guys! So, magkuhan sa ko guys sa be oras 6:28. So, mapay pagkuhan ako guys about the outside guys is raining, that's why I used this and I did not use Relad today. Ako sa dining ikuan i-vlog. Actually guys, this is the second time the Koreano is give me like this. The first one is I did not post it yet, but I already did a video, but I did not post it yet. You know what guys, it is good because the Korean gave me, I think, Tuesday night, and I drank it last day afternoon. Ay so kanang sleepy katulgon gay ko guys niya, kanang I drink it, and yes, he, it's true that this is a energy drink. First told me that this is a medicine daw. Then I said, what medicine? I'm not sick. But when I drink it, oh, it's really good. And last night, uh, today is Friday. Last night, he gave me again this, and I don't know if I have a video while he gave me, because the first one is I have a video that he gave me and I already did a video when I drink it. So this time I don't know if I have a video when he gave this. But if they have, I will put the video here while he gave me this. You know what guys? I'm sorry if I'm talking English, because sometimes he watch my video and he asked me that if you have a video, please talk English so that I understand, because he is like, what he called that, I don't know what is the English of that, but wala na siya salig sa Pilipino, really wala na siya salig sa Pilipino, because the Filipino betrayed him so much, like her business and basta everything. He told me that's why wala na siya salig. So he asked me that if I make a video for all the about him, if I have a video about him, he asked that please talk English. So that's why I talk English. Even if I don't know how to speak English, ha, di ba? I'm so bakikaw. Because we are a Filipino, we're not a farm. So, but I try my best. So, outside, very rainy outside. It's very rainy. And now I will drink it so that I have a strength. Because this is energy drink. I don't bother my lips because this is tattoo. I'm not lipstick yet because I just arrived, no. So this is tattoo. Lip tattoo. So I drink it, and thank you for you, Koreano. He told me that I'm your I told him that I'm your daughter. Um, you are my father. He um, he smiled at me, and he asked me, why you helping me? Because wala guys, nagit siya mo salig. Why you helping me? Every time you arrive here, I will pay you. And go, no, do not pay me. Then last Tuesday night, he give me money. I think it's 1,000, and I did not I did have 500 and everything, but I did not accept it. And last night he gave me again 500 to last Tuesday night 500, and I don't know what time, because I see 100, 500 and 100. I don't know how many 100 are there. But last night he said that basig di siya mo dawat og dako. So I think that's because I help it, eh. Then he saw the video too that I said that it's kawang gawa. So he asked me kasi what is kawang gawa. That's why I told him that because my caption is kawang gawa. He asked me but what is kawang gawa. I just loaded. Why he know how kawang gawa? Okay, I remember, that's my caption. So I told that this is of free. That's why. So last night he gave me only 500, and he asked me that this is not a payment, this is a gasoline for full daw for the motor, because I always go in her house, and I told him no, I did not accept your money. I will accept your money next time I will came back here. Because guys, I will came back in here because the problem is the internet connection is good, the cable is good. I told him, cause I told him that by the uh, HDMI, I thought the HDMI is gone, but the HDMI is there, but it's too short. That's why he asked that he buy. So I told him that in the office too, it's short too. So you can buy it in the outside, so in the DIY. And after they buy the HDMI, he came back in the office and saw me the HDMI he buy. So I think it's okay that I thought sometimes the HDMI cannot work to our HDMI cable. So I kan ba, I worried if it is not working. So I suggest that I will test it in my TV and bring it in their home, my TV, because I have two TV, the small and the big. So the small is I will try it in their home. That's why. So that I found myself that the Parasat is good, and the problem is her TV and her laptop. So that's why it's long na story na to, ah. That's why um I will back in her location again. And he asked me to buy TV. He gave me money to buy TV, but I did not accept it because it was 3,000, I think. But I know that no TV 3,000, because he see the price of their TV, the damaged TV, unit up 3,100 something. So he give me 3,002, and I said no, don't give me money this time. I will provide you a TV. Then if how cost the TV, that's the time you give me a money. And she laughed, and he laughed, and he said that you have so lots of money because you buy TV. And no. That's why I came back. But the internet and the con, it's okay na. The problem is their laptop and their TV is damaged. So that's why my TV is here, there in her house. That's why I came back again. And 'di ba? It's so many lots of chika na. It's all about this, and it's all about the life of Kuan Koreano. Yeah, guys, the Koreano is very good attitude, but mula gito nana siya kuan ba, what's it, way salig na gyud kay many people betrayed, Filipino people betrayed her. So that's why na he have a three daughter in the Korea and wife, but here in the Philippines he have one son, because he have three childrens, four childrens, three girls and one boy. I think the daughter and the mother, the wife is providing her what is that, the business, because the business here is down. I think it's down because remember 7 months no sell. So this is not healthy na no for the kwan. So thank you guys. It's very yummy guys and it's true. Can make you strong. Yeah. It's very true that can make you strong. That's why I drink it in the morning so that I have a strength for the whole kwan because too much cold right now guys because of the raining outside. And like I said, I did not use a Rila today. I just use a motorcycle. So, that's it, guys. That's my vlog for today. Thank you. Today is Friday, January 16. So, di ba, the second time around, I give this and I did not post the first yet. So, that's why I put the date today so that you can because it's really true. It is so yummy. So, that's it for today. Bye-bye, everyone.